Ja.
Jetzt habe ich schon gesehen, Reihe, aber da müssen wir schon viel. Kann man jetzt anfangen?
Du beginnst.
Du bist dran.
Ja. Wie heißt diese Spiele? Keine Ahnung.
Ich bin
Nein, ich bin.
Elbs.
Nicht dran mit
Ich weiß es nicht, was Regeln.
sind ganz leicht. Selbe Farbe kann auf demselben Haufen.
Ah ja, das steht.
Und wenn du jetzt zum
Uno.
Beispiel
Ja, das
eine
steht nicht.
1 hast in Blau und ich dafür eine 1 in Rot abgelegt habe,
Ich
kannst du
habe eine
drauflegen.
Uno. Hey, das ist meine.
Nein, du nimmst nicht die Karte mehr raus.
Ich nehme alle den. Wir müssen nicht.
Nein.
Ah, Leonard, nein.
Leonard,
Don't mix.
Nein.
du hast jetzt so viele Karten.
Ja, das ist gar. Oh nein. Sorry. Danke. Uno. Danke. Danke.
Die war für Leonard.
Was? Wie?
Die 4. Und dann wollen wir 5 machen.
Das ist mal die gleiche Farbe.
Ja, gewonnen.
Oder 6. Und jetzt, habe ich
Was
diesen gewonnen.
Kann man auch hier eine Reihe?
Ich habe hier gewonnen. Leonard.
Leonard, ich mach 1, ihr macht 1, ich mach 1, ihr macht 1. Immer abwechselnd.
Miau. Jetzt habe ich schon gesehen, Reihe, aber da müssen wir schon viel. Kann man jetzt anfangen?
Du beginnst.
Du bist dran.
Ja. Wie heißt diese Spiele? Keine Ahnung.
Ich bin
Nein, ich bin.
Elbs. Ich bin
Hier kannst du nicht mitnehmen, das ist eigentlich egal.
Ich bin dran.
Keine Sorge, Ami, du bist nicht in dem Video.
Kein Ding.
Hm?
Kein Ding.
Wo ist der?
Und ich hab gewonnen.
Hello, my people. You are most welcome. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for coming back. Again, it's a bright morning. And life in Mallorca is very nice. The weather is perfect. Everything. Baba, put on this bag. So, my people, today, I had to convince my children. I had to convince them like, wow, you know what, guys, we have to do this. So I convinced them. I say, we are going, because they wanted to trick me. They wanted us to go to the beach first, then we do the next step. But I knew very well when you go to the beach, we are not going to do anything, something else. So I told them, let us go. We are going to do a tour, a train tour, just a city tour. And
Fahren wir dahin, weil bei dem Wetter, bei den Temperaturen habe ich da auch kein Problem mit. Aber bei 40 Grad habe ich keinen Bock auf irgendeine Burg zu laufen.
Frisch aus Mallorca.
Da waren wir. Oh, ich habe mir ein
ja, Leo.
Was steht hier oben?
Huba Buba. You want to walk? Here or here? Oh, come, Baba. I had not finished introducing the video. I thought we were going to walk to this place, you know. And yeah, I was just ambushed. We came by car. So yeah, we are going to do a city tour train. But before that, we want to take some. We are buying here water. We just reached the car, and Leonard started saying he's thirsty. So let us get. This is a tourist center, by the way. This is a tourist center, Pocho Cristo Novo. I'm looking for plain water, actually. I got it.
Das heißt stilles.
Stilles Wasser oder Spüle?
Stilles Wasser.
Stilles Wasser, ja? Let me take this because of the drinking, whatever, yes? What is, put it down, please. Put it down. Thank you. Let's go, we want to pay.
But where is it now? Mama, hast du jemand verschenkt?
Nein.
Und wo ist es?
Let's go, Baba. Ja. Warte. You see, Leo. Go, Lioba.
Yoga?
So, yeah. I have here also my nephew, Baba, and Lioba.
Entweder hier lang, hier einmal nach oben, wieder zurück, da außen rum und dann
Wo sind wir endlich?
hier.
Hier. Am A8.
Und Ami, da diesen Bäumen.
Weil hier Bäume gibt. So, hier ist Wasser.
Ja, hier. Und da ist auch überall Fuß in der Strand. Tada! Tada! Das kommt der
The train.
Schiene.
We are buying the tickets. Oh, it's full. Thank you. The tickets. Thank you. Okay, go inside. Go, 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 go. Hey.
It's full.
It's full.
Aquí dos.
Liuba, sit. Let me get that. Yeah. Liuba, sit. I also need to sit. Properly. Sorry, Baba. So we have 4 tickets. I give 50 euro. Let me check how much it costed. Liuba, hold for me this ticket. Okay. €2.50 for the children. €2.50. And for us, €5. €5. €5. Yeah. Liuba?
Yeah.
Liuba? Look. So we are having a city train tour. Liuba, I can't see you. These are memories, you know. Social media never forgets. These are memories. There are some people, but they were asking me because if somebody bring the face and is saying I'm doing a video and is bringing his face or her face, then that one normally you don't care because you are saying very well I'm filming and you are bringing their face. But if I film you without you knowing, then that like they want to sit behind, by the way they're German, but they bring their face inside. So that one is not a big deal. Okay, now let's enjoy the tour. Mallorca, Ocho Cristo.
Der Dama, irgendwann wird Leonardo da Vinci.
Married.
Wo die Würmer aufsteigen, oder?
Das sind wir schon mal.
Das große da. Die Katamaran. Ja. Und das Glasschiff ist auch ganz schön voll. Porto Cristo, da haben wir es.
Ja, guck mal, hier ist die 1.
Einer
Enjoy the island. Oh, look at that. It's the same color. You can see the ship is the same color stones. Because we have a Kenyan flag. Kenyan flag. Kenyan flag there.
Je peux gratter encore un truc parce qu'il y a un voile dans l'insert.
Là, we are enjoying the island city tour. Island city tour.
Leonard hat kein Badeanzug. Wenn du so
Yeah.
das ist gerade unser. Ich kann unser Haus sehen. Das ist der echte Strand.
People, we are done. We went for like 1 hour 20 minutes. We did a really nice tour. The city wait for It was a nice trip, and now we want to head home. 1 hour, 18 minutes or 1 hour and some few minutes, you know, and it was really nice. The city island tour. Wow, now it's gone. Yeah, all right, my people, now let's go and we continue with our normal activity. Next activity, actually. Continue with our next activity. Oh. Liba, where are you going to? I want now to take some kids snacks. And then I'm not seeing the snacks they do take. Huh? Of course, it's expensive here, but it's fine. You know, this is a tourist center, so the price is not like normal supermarket, you know. But myself, I like Oreo. I like Oreo so much. Lioba? Tell Lioba to come this side. Go and call Lioba. Thank you for being a responsible boy here. Yeah? Yes? Nine, Lioba. I don't want you to just take things you know very well you're not going to use. You know that is always what Mama doesn't like. Yeah?
But I want to use it.
No, you will not use it. I know you. You will not use it. You just like it because you've seen now. When we reach home, you will not use it. I'm sorry. Okay?
But where is it?
So let's go. Oh, give it to me, please.
Mama?
Give it to me, this, Lioba.
Spiel. Mama, weißt du, wie geht's diesem Spiel?
Ich weiß nicht.
Ich weiß das. Ich
Sag.
weiß das. Siehst du so?
You see, Ami got you the Kinder Sun Pasta. So let's go.
Mama?
Okay. Come, let's go. Also, okay, Baba, ich hab gesehen. Put it back. Let's go now. Leonard, put it back. So I got the snacks. Hello. Look at the souvenirs. This is the thing. Liba, show Mama what you wanted. This is the thing she wanted. And of course I cannot take it for her because she just takes some things and she never uses. So she knows very well. She's actually upset, but she knows she's 100% sure not going to use.
No, I'm going to.
Because she has so many hats.
But I'm
Like-
going to use.
And she actually never uses. So
Mama, but I'm going to use.
I don't entertain the game that a child just takes something because of taking, you know.
Mama, but I'm going to use.
Yeah, Baba. She agreed anyway. Yes? Baba. We'll come later to take the magnet. Which magnet do you want? Yeah, Baba. Leonard. Which one? Oh, you want that one? Okay. We still have some time. We'll come to take it again, okay? Put it back. Thank you. So let's head home. Welche? Aber das ist für Babys, oder? Eh? Look at the one with... Nächste Mal vielleicht. Sommer ist vorbei.
Wir dürfen das. Leonard.
Fertig?
Nein.
People, we are almost home. We decided to walk. It's not actually far from the train station or bus station to this place. It's not far. And look how the environment is beautiful. Environment is really beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You get it. It's really beautiful. And we are walking there. After that, maybe we have lunch and we go to the beach. Either beach or pool. We will decide which one. Yeah. You also want beach?
And you? Beach.
Hmm?
You want beach or pool?
Pool.
Mama.
Baba, what do you want?
Pool.
Baba
Yeah.
want pool.
I want beach.
You want beach.
Leonard, du wolltest gerade Beach. Ich will nicht Beach, weil das ist mit großen Wellen. Da musst
Aha.
du nicht in der Wasser. Da kann man noch Vulkan spielen. Lava spielen, das ist cool, oder? Da muss man in der
This is
Wasser
beach
spielen.
area.
Wenn da
Careful, Lioba.
da-
Careful down there.
Yes, diese. Leonard.
Beach area. Beach
Mama,
area.
Leonard is stepping in.
Okay, my people, we are now. I want to finish the. Should I hold it? I want to finish the video. So, as we can see, we are going to the beach. We are going to the beach, and I think from there we will just have. We are going out to eat, because we are cooking, eating, but most of the time we are eating outside. So we want to go to the water. It's 2 o'clock, and I know for sure we are going to sit there for long. Like yesterday, we sat there. How many hours, Lioba?
5 hours.
Eh?
5 hours.
5 hours. So I don't know about today, but today I have an umbrella. I think we are going to get to sit there for long. Lioba,
6 hours.
let me help you to carry. We have an umbrella here, so we are going to sit there for
6 hours.
6 hours. Lioba said already. Yeah, and that is it, my people.
Willst du das sagen?
Ich weiß ich nicht, Schatzi.
Du willst das gerade sagen?
And of course we have snacks. We have snacks. The kids have already eaten. I've already eaten also. And yeah, off we go. This is life in Mallorca. We are enjoying. We are enjoying. We thank God for this, you know. Everything we have to give God. We have to thank God, and yeah. Oh, we are there already. Where's Baba?
Leonard!
This boy has already gone.
Maybe already.
Baba, you are hiding yourself. I was so scared. I thought you have already gone.
Leonard!
Although the beach is not full, and since by the since he's colored, I could have just found him like very fast, you know.
Make it.
Really?
Right?
What do you want to do? The towel, but Lioba is going to take. She's going there. It's not fire, and she offered. She told me she should go and pick, not me, and I keep an eye on Leonard. That is Lioba. Baba is there. Look at Baba up there. I was saying it.